Have you ever felt your heart skip a beat? Maybe when you saw a picture of a loved one, or a breathtaking sunset, or even just a really, really good slice of pizza? It's a common phrase, but what if I told you it's not just a figure of speech? What if your heartbeat is secretly communicating with your brain, telling it what you truly value often before you're even consciously aware of it? Let's dive into the fascinating connection between your heart and your mind. We often think of the brain as the body's command center, sending signals down to the rest of us. But it's a two-way street. Your heart is constantly sending information back up to your brain. This intricate feedback loop is part of what scientists call neurocardiology. And one of the most amazing discoveries in this field is how our heart rate responds to things we find important. You see dozens of images, memes, news articles, photos of your friend's lunch. Most of them won't cause much of a stir. But then, a picture pops up that captures your attention. It could be an old family photo, an ad for your dream vacation, or a headline about a topic you're passionate about. Without you even realizing it, your heart does something special. Momentarily slows down. This isn't a sign of a problem. It's a sign of focus. This subtle deceleration is called cardiac deceleration, and it's your body's way of saying, hey, pay attention to this. This is important. It's an orienting response. Your brain is essentially telling your body to quiet down for a second so it can process this valuable piece of information more effectively. It's like the world goes into slow motion for a split second, all orchestrated by the silent rhythm of your heart. Think about it this way. Your brain is constantly bombarded with sensory information. It has to decide what's worth paying attention to and what can be ignored. Your heartbeat acts as a pre-conscious filter. It tags certain stimuli as high value based on your past experiences, your goals, and your emotional state. This happens so quickly, it's often faster than your conscious thought. You might not have even processed why that image caught your eye, but your heart already knows. This phenomenon isn't just for images. It happens with sounds, words, and even abstract ideas. Researchers have conducted studies where they show people a series of words. When a word that has a strong personal meaning to the participant appears like their own name, or the name of a loved one, their heart rate shows that distinct dip. It's a tiny biological signature of recognition and significance. But what happens after that initial slowdown? The stimulus is not just important, but also emotionally charged. Maybe it's a picture that makes you incredibly happy or angry. Your heart rate will then accelerate. This is your body preparing for action. The initial, "What is this?" phase is over, and now it's moving into the, "What do I do about this?" phase. This is the more familiar feeling of your heart racing when you're excited or nervous. So it's a two-part process. A slight dip for focus, followed by a potential spike for emotional reaction. This has some incredible implications. It means our bodies have a built-in truth serum for our own values. You might say you don't care about something, but if your heart decelerates when you see it, it reveals a deeper, unconscious level of interest. It's a physical manifestation of what truly captures our attention and what our brain has tagged as significant. Marketers and designers are actually very interested in this. They use tools like a tracking combined with heart rate monitoring to see what parts of an advertisement or a website truly grab a person's attention. That little dip in the heart rate is a golden signal that they've created something compelling. But beyond marketing, this knowledge can be empowering for us personally. It encourages us to be more in tune with our own bodies. The next time you feel that subtle shift, that little pause in your day, take a moment. What were you just looking at? What were you thinking about? Your heart might be trying to tell you something important about what you truly care about. It's a quiet whisper from your own biology, pointing you towards the people, ideas, and experiences that give your life meaning. This connection goes even deeper. The rhythm of our heart isn't just a simple metronome. It has variations. This is called heart rate variability, or HRV. A high HRV, meaning more variation between beats, is a sign of a healthy, adaptable nervous system. People with high HRV are often better at regulating their emotions and handling stress. And guess what? Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing can actually improve your heart rate variability. By calming your mind, you are directly training your heart to be more resilient. So, the conversation between your heart and brain is constant and profound. It shapes what you notice, how you feel, and even how you react to the world. Your heartbeat is more than just a pump. It's a compass, subtly guiding your attention towards what matters. It's a personal, biological signature that reveals your inner world. The next time you're browsing the internet or walking down the street, pay attention. That feeling of your heart skipping a beat isn't just poetry. It's your brain and body working in perfect harmony, a beautiful, intricate dance that happens countless times a day, signaling what's truly important in the vast landscape of your life. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the amazing ways our bodies and minds work. See you in the next one.